Joe Burrow is not only one of this decade's most talented footballers, but he is also known to have big sports names backing him. Throughout the years, this unbeatable star has accumulated a net value of over $1 million. So, are you curious to know all the secrets about Joe Burrow's wealthy lifestyle? Well, you've come to the right place. Joe Burrow does not like to boast a lot about his wealth, but what is his most amazing collection? You guessed it, cars. Joe is really fond of cars and owns 3 of them. But let's talk about how much each of them costs. Get ready to have your minds blown. First up in his collection is his red Jeep Wrangler, which is around $30,000. He is also the owner of a Tesla Model 5, which costs $75,000. But if you think these are extremely expensive, you are going to be shocked when you hear the price of his next car, because it costs more than both of his other cars combined. The most expensive car in his collection is the Porsche Carrera 4, which is valued at $110,000. The sleek and sharp design of this car definitely goes well with his whole wealthy millionaire persona. So, what other unique purchases did Joe make recently? Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you some crazy details about the millionaire lifestyle of Joe Burrow. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Joe Burrow is known for spending his money wisely, but you'll be the judge of that because next we are going to talk about his multi-million-dollar house. Although the actual price of the mansion has not yet been revealed, once you get to know about the features, see the interior and exterior, and get an idea of the cost of neighboring mansions in the area, you can easily tell that it can only belong to a millionaire like Joe Burrow. The mansion is located in Holmby Hills, Los Angeles, and has 6 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms. We can't help but wonder why anyone would need that many bathrooms than bedrooms, but who's judging? The house also has a theater, a pool, and a whole spa inside. And remember, all of this is just to accommodate one person, as Joe lives alone. Joe Burrow is very frugal when it comes to spending. Even when you go through his social media content, you would never guess that he is a millionaire from looking through his profile. Even though he is rich, he doesn't always like to flaunt his wealth, and he is far removed from any kind of superficiality. So, do you have any idea how Joe plans to spend his first NFL paycheck? Well, don't worry, that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Joe Burrow recently signed a $36 million contract, and he said he is going to spend a whopping $0 of his paycheck. Yes, you heard that right. I don't plan on spending any contract money, Burrow said. I'm just going to live off the marketing money and let that accrue in my bank account. Many NFL players would go out and spend this huge sum of money on major purchases and celebrate signing the deals. During a press conference, just after he signed his first deal, he exposed that he is planning to save and invest all of the money he gets from the deal. According to sources, in a span of about 3 seconds, Joe Burrow went from being a guy living in his parents' basement to a multi-millionaire. That 3-second span is how long it took the Bengals quarterback to sign his 4-year, $36.2 million rookie contract, which is a deal that also includes a $23.9 million signing bonus. Joe Burrow also exposed that he is going to get some new contracts, but he can't say yes to everything. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Joe Burrow? And what do you think about his amazing purchases? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.